Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing American Farming Dairy Farm Series episode 4. This is the 4th episode of the Dairy Farm Series, and we are hoping to finish up corn harvest right now. And we already have someone disking, so that's also good. But we have to run over to the 380 because Peter is full, and we are almost done with harvest. Where is the case? 380. Here we go. He's just about done. He has one more pass, it looks like. Unload him, and then we'll just hop right back into the combine. That we were in. There's like 1 or 2 passes left on this field for us. And then we got one more field over back on the other side of this farm. And then we'll be done with corn harvest for the year. Which that's just going to be amazing. It's going to be so good when we're done with corn harvest. Just going to shave off a couple rows here. This is the starter farm that we own. I call this Dad's place and pretend like Dad lives here on the farm, if you know what I mean. But yeah, we're gonna get this field done real fast. So yeah, we do have a bunch of fields in this game that we see. This has spread apart. Like so far this entire series has been harvesting corn, I'm pretty sure. And it's going to be good to be almost done. So this is the last pass on this field. And then we're going to take it on to our last field because he is just about done with that field. So let's go to plots. All of the blue fields we harvested in corn already this year. Except this one. I just bought this one with the dairy farm. So all the blue fields have been harvested this year on the series, and well, we're almost done, so it's amazing. And then after this, we're gonna have some disking because we have lots of land to disc and plant, but we'll get there eventually. But we're just gonna finish up this row. And just like that, we have finished up this field. And now we're just going to take the... Oops. Sorry, Dad. We're going to take the 2188 to this cornfield, and then, well, we're done. He's done. And now he's going to start that up while we bring this combine up here, unload it, and we're going to bring her back to the farm right away. And we're also going to bring the gravity wagons up because we don't need them anymore. Now we're going to be able to bring this combine home. It feels fast in the combine now since we were in slow for so long. We're going to take the quick way because we just want to get these done and home. And go on off the fields. Just cut down this way. And we'll just turn there and we'll see you at the farm. He seems to be doing a pretty good job so far with harvesting. but we'll just take a turn here. Hopefully we fit. I think we will. Yeah, no problem. Just got to the farm, and they're already full. And we just got to the farm! But we're just gonna keep the header on it and just throw it in the machine shed right away. Because we don't need it. We'll make sure it's where we want it. Alright, got this one in. Now we're gonna go unload the other one. Come on, tractor, come on. We gotta get a new grain car tractor. This thing's not the best. Gravity wagon, I always get them mixed up. There we go. Alrighty, where are you now, boy? Where are you? Sweet deal, right there. Good man, good man. Stop, tractor. Just gonna unload. Front wagon full. Alright, let's just get this out of the way. Now we gotta bring the 380 home. And then park the gravity wagons. Send home now. We don't have time for screw-ups, alright? Okay, we're good. We didn't screw up. That's good. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. We got to unload this front wagon and then we'll park them. Just gonna slow it down a little bit. Bring it around real quick. I don't know if we'll fit it all in the we're filling this first bin right here. This is the bin we're filling up. Right here. That's the 5,000 bushel bin. And storage. That's almost full. Now we're gonna find a place to put these wagons, because we have to do some arranging down here since we're done with everything. Let's find a good spot for these quick. Had a little bit of a collision right there. Great. Oh, come on. There has to be a little bit of corn in that back one. Whatever. Alright, well, we're done with that. That don't look too bad so far. Oops, not the grain dryer. What's our moisture at? 17.1. Yeah, we'll dry it up. We'll start the dryer real quick. Next field for Donald. We'll have him run this field now. But I think that's going to end today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, please. And have a great day. See ya. Howdy.